and Fatherly District Supervisor, Mr. Alejo Ardeseto, sir. Our kind and charming principal, Mrs. Norma and Bilog, ma'am. Our beloved teachers, barangay officials headed by Honorable Marcelino V. Calub, sir. Our PTA officials headed by Mrs. Juanita R. Calub, ma'am. Dear parents, visitors, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. Things turn out for the best for pupils who make the best. Yes, my friends, after 200 long days of all the trials, hardships, and sacrifices, we are all here today, proudly setting and soon to receive our medals, ribbons, and certificates, which are the fruits of our labors. To all of you, dear teachers, we thank you for all the things we learned from you. You will always be in our minds and our hearts. You are our inspiration in achieving our goals and dreams to reality. To you, fellow awardees, let us not stop here and just be contented of what honor we will receive today. But we must strive harder and aim for the better, if not the best, for more gold medals to bring home for our parents. To our parents, we love and thank you for all the support. On behalf of my co-awardees, this is school year 2012-2013, I welcome you all. Be with us till our program ends. For this day as we celebrate our recognition day. Again, welcome and mabuhay po tayong lahat.